Welcome to Nutrition OS, your complete system for planning, tracking, and managing your nutrition. At the top, you can instantly see your daily progress for calories, protein, carbs, and fat, so you always know where you stand. Below that, today's meals gives you a clear overview of what you're eating today, with your nutrition automatically accounted for. Quick Picks gives you instant access to your favorite meals, so adding a go-to meal to your plan takes just a few seconds. You can simply add your pinned meals to your daily meals by clicking on Add to Planner, and all the information you need will be visible on your Quick Picks view. The grocery list keeps your shopping organized, with quantities, notes, and purchased items all in one place. When you have bought the groceries you need, you simply select Purchased, and it will disappear from your grocery list. And with weekly and all-time progress, you can see your consistency over time, instead of focusing on just one day. The weekly progress shows which days are completed, not completed and in progress. And the all-time progress shows the total amount of days you have completed a day. Everything works together around your personal goals, giving you one simple system to plan your meals, track your nutrition, and stay consistent,